This is the lecture for Physical Continuity, Self and the Future by Bubemi Anthony Oyowe. And there's nothing really to say before you read this except that because this is centered on the Williams article that we just read, this will be helpful sort of filling out, refreshing, clearing up maybe some of the things Williams said, because a lot of the first part of the article is devoted to re-describing, re-explaining Williams. So hopefully you find that helpful. And then since a lot of it is review, hopefully that'll give you plenty of time and mental effort to focus on the latter part of the article, which is the criticism of Williams, which is a sort of nice, interesting, subtle kind of thing. So hopefully you can figure out what Oyowe is arguing here and decide whether or not you agree. So that's it.